And the last time I've been talking, I said I'm going to say chapter 9 to chapter 10 and 11 and 12. Now is the time. Chapter 9 is called Trapped. And when Clyde goes to school, he's bumped into Rose, and Rose punch him, kapow. And then he run away because actually she has her mean dog. And Clyde got chased. When he was close to a bush of spikes, and that is the end of chapter 9. Now is chapter 10, and it's called Goodbye, Little Dog. And we learned that Rose's dog is named Chopper. But at one point, Clyde said, he asked, "Squash me, eat me?" Rose said, "No, grinning." And he said, and she said, "They are going to do something worse." They pushed him into Miss Mopey bed wall and go to her side of the house. And there was a man who was carrying pencil box baseball cards. And I definitely knew that it was a robber. Then at one point, he sneezed and achoo, and he turned into a monkey and he ran after it. And finally, he catched the one. And he said, "What can a kid do?" And then he said, we're back to our hideout, and we're rich. So I said it right, that the people who carry that box is a robber. I tell you more about the robber. A robber is a man or a woman who steals stuff. They are, some of them are weak, so they are bossed around by the high-ups who are strong and can steal so much money. And when we saw Clyde, who is a monkey, he ran away, and the woman tripped because his little friend, Cat, made the woman go down, and the woman was saying casual monkey to the man. When Clyde jumped on the wobble, who's a man, and go outside. And when he keep running, and finally he turned into a human again. And he run to, and when his twin see him, she said, Clyde. And that is actually chapter 11 done. I forgot to say you, but chapter 11 is called Cat Burglars. Now chapter 12, Help. And Claudia ride her bike towards Clyde and said, Where are your clothes? And then he go back and get his clothes and said to her that burglars had catch his animal friend and go to the house. He just jumped out of and run away from the house. And he actually climbed back, and actually the house was Principal Murphy, and he made her get stopped. And when Clyde went inside, and Claudia went outside and pulled them. And Claudia pulled outside, and Clyde pulled inside, and she was stopped. And they couldn't get her out. So when Clyde pulled out, don't hold Vincent Murphy's hands, she bound. She just pulls off into the air. And at one point, she used a net to catch Clyde. Then when he saw his cat friend, he said, It's monkey time. And when the burglars tried to catch him again, this time he was cornered. But then Vincent Murphy got her. And said, We did it. And Vincent Murphy said, Thanks for the help, monkey. Then said, But stay out of my school. And said, Got it? And said, Welcome to the neighborhood. Oh, so I actually go over until chapter 14 on yesterday. So I will tell you what chapter 14 is called. It's called Got You. Next time I will tell the last chapter, chapter 14. Bye guys.